Look at you, though.
I could see me in the mirror.
Hold on, do it 2 years now, turn.
I don't know how you were the one who was doing it. There's people in here.
I can't understand what my grandpa would say. Sounds like she's dying.
You just looked into the wall.